introduction of the HQ series was announced in 1971, with manufacturing beginning in 1972. The release introduced new suspension that featured coil springs all around, a stronger body shell and either a 6-cylinder engine with 2 variants or the powerful V8 with 3 release sizes. A choice of transmission was offered as either a 4-speed manual, 3-speed Trimatic or 3-speed turbo hydromatic 400 setup. Holden badged a limited edition release of the Belmont sedan as the SS series, as a precursor to the 4-door GTS that was released months later in 1972. They were released with a 253 V8 topped off with full GDS instrumentation. Production of the SS series was split over 2 production runs at the end of 1972 with a total of only 2,800 units.